Happy New Year, everyone! We hope the holidays were good to you. We want to take a moment to talk to you about what we have planned for the channel in 2022.
We'll continue to do what you've come to expect from us. Vehicle repairs, modifications, along with all the DIY stuff, gear reviews, and of course, all the details on our trips. One of the things we're going to be doing this year that's a little different for us, we're going to build a couple of additional adventure vehicles. And these are the beginnings of our new builds. Kid-sized ATVs that we'll be building to take us on multi-day, self-supported overland adventures.
God help us.
It'll work, trust me.
To make it even more challenging, we're on a crazy strict low budget for all of it. Our limit is $500 to buy, fix, and modify each one.
Now that doesn't sound like much, and it isn't. But the ATVs we'll be using are these super cheap Chinese models. And the parts for them are stupid cheap too. So far, it's looking like we're going to come in well under budget on these.
The good thing about these, they're cheap. The bad thing about these, they're cheap. Hopefully they'll be reliable enough not to leave us stranded out in the middle of nowhere.
We'll be putting out videos showing how we get them back into shape and how we prep them for our adventures.
Also, what we pack and how we're going to haul it all on these. Our gear is going to have to be super lightweight and compact.
And kept within a very low budget. We're going to need a trailer to haul these, somewhat off-road capable. We haven't ironed out how or what we're going to do yet, but like these, it too is going to be very budget friendly. We're going to be sharing the progress on that project with you also. Another project idea we have regarding the trailer is something we think you're really going to enjoy.
Stop! You said too much already. This may be a major game changer in how we travel. Over the next many months, we'll be putting out subtle hints on what it is. See if you can guess. We're committed to attending at least 2 big events this year.
The More Expo in Springfield, Missouri, and it looks really good for the FJ Summit in Colorado to be held this year.
Hope to see you there.
This is going to be a fun year.
It is. I'm really looking forward to it.
By the way, I noticed the brakes don't work at all on that one.
But you're going to fix them, right?
If the budget allows.
It's going to be another Wanderlost year.